Who even gets a small package of Oreos, to be honest?
Okay.
Go. Attitude. Next
You know
birthday
what would be
cake.
cool if
Next
that
birthday
plastic
cake.
was like actually edible.
Cake or plastic?
I can't grab this with my hands.
Oh, flip it. There we go. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da. My turn. Hi guys, welcome to the lake vlog and welcome to our crib. So first off, we have my very lovely room. We just ran into lovely room. Featuring a window that you can see everything out of into the hallway and right by the elevators. If you like a, yeah. So these curtains right here will be shut. Got all the Cody accessories here. We have not one, but 2 closets. Okay. Handing off to the Claire Wilson.
Okay, this is my room. First we got the doors. And then we've got the really cool bed frame that I don't know if they're supposed to be roofed or not. Like one of those.
What's up, brother?
We've got the windows that's right in front of the elevator.
And when we say right.
Literally right. So I could just go, hi. Where'd you come from?
Where y'all from?
Just one closet.
Just one. She's not as cool as me.
But we got a safe built in.
No.
Claire accessories that match.
Yes, hers is matching.
Yeah.
She's more bougie than I am.
In the morning, I'm just gonna be like,
Yeah, the only exceptions.
good morning. And then we get the stock on top. Washer and dryer.
Go, keep your eyes this way. No, yeah, keep your eyes this way. Why does the door? Okay, let's turn this way. We have the bathroom. This will be technically our bathroom, me and Claire's bathroom.
Yeah.
That's really all. I'll do the kitchen. We have a giant island table. I don't know what that is because it doesn't open. We have a lot going on here. 4-piece toaster and a snack reveal.
Here's the living room. One chair. Big couch that I think holds it.
Oh, it's just him. That scared me.
We got 2 lounge chairs right here. Got another fireplace that we always come by.
Turn it on.
Oh, it is. It's very warm. It's a really lovely deck.
Watch your step.
Chair, just look into the wall because you know how beautiful it is.
This is a great view.
And then you look out into this view. It's very pretty. You're right.
We got a man. It's a random man just standing there. Oh. Well, guess what, guys?
Oh. You can't get rid of us. You can't get rid of us. Because this is the master bedroom.
The master.
The master bed. We have this couch. We have these that you tried to shut. But I'll close something if not working.
And there's no furniture over here for I don't know what reason. Another fire.
This is the we have a mirror. We have a rock and another rock. Bathroom. and a shower.
Okay.
That will conclude our vlog, and we will see, not our vlog,
No.
our house tour. There will be more to the vlog. So stay tuned for tomorrow morning. I try to give you some time to like see if you make that,
Look at those back muscles. We're back from yoga. We got some, oh, yours is fancy. We just got done. It was good, and Claire said she feels very zen,
Yeah.
down to earth.
Like
Literally, no, like literally. Down to
right on my face. So I'm definitely with the earth. It's been cool.
It's good for me. It's good for me. It's good for me. It's good for me. I'm going under.
There's a ledge. There's a ledge. There's a ledge.
I got this. I got this. I got this. I got this.
Better now.
Refreshing.
Yeah, at first it's pretty shocking.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's like
But it feels
refreshing.
good.
But it's refreshing. Look at the locust.
I just stubbed my toe.
Let's go. Look at his gloriousness.
Is that screen cracked or is there a cover of it?
Oh yeah. Kettle corn.
Wait.
Go, Mom, go. Go, Mom, go. This is cool.
Oh, they have that.
Look at those. Hey guys, we're going paddleboarding now, but I can't take you because I didn't bring my little floaty thing, so we don't want you to fall into the lake.
Yeah. There's canoes, paddleboarding, and kayaking. I'm gonna go.
Yep. Hey guys, paddleboarding, or not paddleboarding. We actually ended up going kayaking. Kayaking complete. We did 3 races in total.
She won one.
she-
Sean won one.
And we tied, but
Then
I really
Sean
would
and
like to say that I
Cody
won.
tied
Oh my
one.
gosh, there's a wasp on there.
I won 0.
Yeah, she basically almost crashed into my dad. And then on the last one, I almost crashed. They just got blessed. Let's go! We made it to the Silver Dollar City, and we don't know where we're at half the time, and we don't know where we're going ever, but immediately, jail. Hey, buddy. Is this like supposed to be scary?
No, I don't think so. That's scary.
How close do you have to get?
Why would I?
If you like go like that, it looks normal. We're like, I look right. Hey guys, first ride of the day, time traveler.
We're on the second level of the line because there were no lines downstairs.
Yeah, and I've never ridden this one, so we'll update you when we're done. Look at that.
You're this way, but it shoots you off and go down, like as soon as you go.
Guys, we just time traveled to another world, not another time.
The big drop.
No, like, because we were backwards, and it felt like we were doing like a backflip off of a giant cliff. So, I'll give that one a 12 out of 10. That was a good start.
9 out of 10. All right, we got the front just for you guys.
Is mine on? Yeah. Hey y'all, we just got done with the ride and we're on lunch break. Lunch break, aka it's 2 o'clock. But we got, you can tell them what you got.
Bread, chicken sandwich, tater tots. I forgot that name.
And water. And then I got the pork belly skillet thingy and water also. Update guys, we are soaked. We are sloshing in Walcan. Look at turn.
I got most of the water.
She turned, so like hers flipped and she went to the backside where like all the water like eats you alive.
Literally.
I got like down
and then
here.
I saw water.
Yeah. No view, just water.
Yeah.
And our shoes are like currently really soaked, but we're gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna go try and find more rides and.
You wanna go to the other water one?
Sure. Reporting here from Gin Alpha. How are you feeling about this ride?
I'm feeling actually really good because they do a little corkscrew, a loop-de-loop.
Yeah.
Really good.
And what ride are we on?
Oh yeah, Outlaw Run.
Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. I actually have nothing else to say
Well, there's a big
except for the fact that I'm excited.
Yeah. There's a big drop that just passed.
I don't know if you can see it.
To the next set. Yes, please have those loose start closer.
It literally goes out of the frame. Okay, we just finished our last ride and we told you guys we would be back, so here we are. Good morning, vlog. We made it to the pool. I got a good shooting workout done this morning with Dad. I'm telling them about my good shooting workout this morning. Oh, which way to the pool?
Did you tell them about how good of a rebounder you had? Is that what you were talking about?
Yeah.
Good call.
Yeah, I was getting to that. But take a moment to look at this pool, guys.
There's like, I'm tired still.
We got Claire over here. And we got the lake back there. It's really pretty. Yeah. We're gonna tan for a while. And then go shopping later. Hey guys, we're in the infinity pool now. We're living a life down there.
I just want to be on the vlog.
We were down there.
Cody!
We can shop and come back. It's fine.
Post bun hair.
Maybe take them in because hide it because they usually go on.
Johnny will do it.
Oh, you want to get back over here?
The water's getting in my eyeball. Hey guys, shopping outfit. Fit check, fit check, fit check, fit check. Fit check. Hey guys, 7 Brew. I got lavender, blue raspberry, pomegranate lemonade.
And then I got the blue raspberry.
Strawberry,
Blue
pomegranate.
Blue raspberry, strawberry, pomegranate lemonade.
I'm holding you my leg right now. Hello. ASMR. This is good. Lemonade for life. We literally just shopped until all the stores closed, so we're gonna give you a haul now. While Dad picks us up. First, I got these shorts for like $5. Oh my gosh! We don't know what we got yet because we were so stressed and
I was
like
in the
Shopping
dressing
very
room,
fast.
and I was like the
They
last
had already
person.
closed.
the lady came up to me. She's like, "Okay, just letting you know we close at 7 tonight."
And then I got this like little dress, shorts thingy. These shorts. Well,
This belt, this green like gold belt, was like $7. It's really like cute and country. This top for like $5. I know, right?
so from Eric, first, I got these pink leggings for like $20 probably. Yeah.
Probably 20. I got this top for $10. Yep.
These shorts, they're like 10 probably.
These were $20. They're normally like $29 or something. I have another color that I got from the Legends, and I really love them to work out in, so I got the green pair.
I got this shirt with a little gold hoop.
Oh wait, that's so cute. We don't even know what each other got. From Under Armour, I got these blue kind of sweat shorts.
From Rouge 21, I got this like pink like top like bralette.
Oh, are these yours? So from Under Armour, I got these black shorts, which is what I really needed. Or not black shorts, sweatpants. For college.
From Gap, I got these little earrings. And I got bell bottoms.
Wait, what? I didn't
Yes.
see this. Those are so cute. Okay guys, we're gonna go get Chick-fil-A, and I'm pretty sure that's all of the lake vlog. So thank you for coming along, and peace out. Oh, yeah.